Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to recover LinkedIn password without phone number. Before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, of course you just have to open your LinkedIn and you just have to make sure also for the connection, guys, it's already connected to the internet. So if you wanna recover your password without phone number, you can use the email for the recovery. Here I'm gonna tap on my profile icon. Now at the bottom, go ahead to the settings. And after in the settings, tap on the sign in and security. And after here, you just have to tap on this change password. If you wanna recover it, you just have to tap on this forgot password. And after here, at this column, you can add your email address if you don't wanna use your phone number. Here I'm gonna tap on the next. And after here, you can check your email that have sent verification code before. Here, I'm gonna check it first on my email. This is the code. I'm gonna copy it. And now I'm gonna enter to this column. Now tap on submit here, guys. And then in this page, you can make a new password at the first column, and then you just have to retype and re-enter for the new password at the second column, guys. This is for the confirmations. I'm gonna make it first. Now here at the bottom, we'll see the submit. And this is the information that your password has been changed. So here we already recover our LinkedIn password without the phone number, but we use the email address here, guys. So I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.